Okay, it's a huge package right here from Nykaa. Thank you, Nykaa, for this. Oh my god, super excited as usual. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SOHINI Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys already know, Nykaa Pink Friday sale is right here and I have received a package from Nykaa. Thank you, Nykaa, for this. There are a few makeup, skincare products, body care as well, I guess. So I'm going to unbox them. I'm going to show it to you. I have used few of the products. I'm going to talk about them in depth and I'm gonna swatch few things which I have received in this box. So yeah, if you guys want to know what are the products I have received, then please keep on watching. Alright, inside the box I have got this thing which mentions about the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, which will actually start while you are watching this video. Okay, so definitely grab the products. Also, one more thing, do definitely check out the expiry date before buying anything. Okay, there is up to 50% off, so grab anything you like, but definitely check out the expiry date before buying anything. Okay, one disclaimer I had to mention. Alright, in this box I see a lot of products. Okay, so the first one I really love talking about is the L'Oreal Paris Absolute Repair mask. Now this is a hair mask. I absolutely love this one. I think I started using this from last year during April when I first colored my hair. This was suggested from my hairstylist and I absolutely loved it. And yeah, I mean, this is such a great product. It makes your hair super smooth, manageable and everything. Okay, let me just share something. This is my natural hair. I didn't apply any serum, no heat, no hair dry, nothing. So I just came out from the shower, I let it air dry and this is how my hair looks. As you can see, it looks messy. Definitely I love this look actually, but it is manageable. Okay, and the things I have used today is True Frock Anti Hair Fall Shampoo, and this is my go-to product. Like, I use it, I genuinely use it and I would highly recommend it to you. And you can see my hair looks very shiny, no serum at all, no heat, nothing. It's just natural and I absolutely love it. I would highly recommend this product to you. So if you have damaged hair, if you have wavy hair, curly hair, if you have dry hair, definitely give this one a try. Alright, next up I have received another hair care product from Nykaa. This is the Garnier Fruits Repairing Papaya Hair Food. Now I haven't tried this yet. I tried the banana one. I really like it. I love the smell of the banana one. The fragrance is just mind-blowing, and let me just try, like, smell it. Okay, this also smells nice. I mean, it's papaya. I don't like papaya, but the fragrance is very nice. I hope this will work as much as the banana one worked for my hair. Alright, next up I have received this Minimalist Alpha Lipois. I don't know how to pronounce this, plus glycolic cleanser. Alright, next I have received the Minimalist Cleanser. This is the Alpha Lipoic, I don't know how to pronounce that, plus glycolic cleanser. It has vitamin B5 as well. Now this brightens and smoothens the skin, and yeah, I haven't tried this. I can't say anything about this. Alright, here is the cleanser. I haven't tried it. I don't know how this works for the skin and I'm super excited to try. If you have ever tried this, let me know what was your experience. Next up, I have received the Nykaa Illuminate 5. It is 10% vitamin C serum. I have tried this. Now 10% serum doesn't work for my skin. I need more because yeah, I started using by 5%, then I jumped to 15, now I use 20%. So that's why 10% doesn't work for my skin. But my dad is new to vitamin C, so he is actually using this one, so it's a restock for him. Now I'm definitely going to give this to him. It has 5% niacinamide as well, and niacinamide does not work for my skin. It enhances skin radiance and improves complexion. Now it's a beautiful lightweight serum. It absorbs very quickly. It's non-oily as well. So yeah, my dad loves it, so this is a restock for him. Next up, I have received a sheet mask from Nykaa. This is the gold for revitalized and youthful skin. Never tried it, definitely giving this one a try today only. Next up, I have received the Lakme Lumi Cream. It's a moisturizer with highlighter. I just want to give this one a try right now. I just want to see how it is. I hope this is lightweight. Here is the packaging. This retails for rupees 299, okay, for 30 gram product. Take little bit of this. I'm gonna try it. Here is the product. It's very lightweight, you guys. I'm gonna blend it to see how it blends. I'm just applying it on this side so you know the difference, and you can see the difference actually. Okay, it's super lightweight. It absorbed very quickly and you can see the shine. Moving on to the next product, this is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. Now, I do not like this face wash. It doesn't work for my skin. I get breakout whenever I have tried this, but my fiance loves it. So this is a restock for my fiance. Alright, moving on. I have makeup. Of course, who doesn't love makeup? I have received the K-Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Super excited to try this out. Let me show you. This is in the shade Black Canvas. यार ये लोग ये जो प्लास्टिक दे देते हैं ना, इसमें इसको खोलने में ना जान निकल जाती है. मेरे से कभी नहीं होता ये. I cannot, never, ever. Also, I know a lot of people are noticing ring कहाँ है, ring कहाँ है. Ring मैंने छोटा करने दिया है क्योंकि काफी बड़ा था. So yeah, I'm waiting to get it back very soon. Maybe next week तक आ जाएगा. खुल गया. Anyway, so here is the eyeliner and let me swatch it here. Definitely very pigmented. Wow. Alright, next up I have received the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Now I haven't tried any NYX setting sprays ever, so again excited. Okay, let me just try it quickly. Because I did not apply any setting spray today, so let's see. मेरा स्किन काफ़ी मैट लग रहा था क्योंकि मैंने आज न्यू फाउंडेशन भी यूज़ किया है. दैट इज़ वेरी मैट. मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था उतना मैट होगा, बट इट्स सुपर मैट. बट या, दिस इज आई थिंक गोइंग टू सेव माई डे. सो लेट्स सी, लेट्स जस्ट सी, लेट्स वेट फॉर 4-5 minutes and see. Anyway, next let's move on to next product. This is the ELF Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. It's a clear one. So ये मेरा काम नहीं आने वाला है. Definitely, I do not like working with clear brow mascaras or something like this. So I'm going to give this to my fiance again. He can apply this on his beard. He has a really nice beard. I know you guys haven't seen him, but yeah, थोड़े दिनों के बाद, just wait for the perfect moment. I know you guys are super excited and you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. Anyway, so I'm gonna give this to him as well so that he can apply it on his beard and set it. I mean, that will be great. Okay, so as of now, my skin looks very dewy. Okay, you can notice the difference. It's very nice. Okay, lastly, I have two liquid lipsticks. Now, this is the Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Lover, which I have tried before, so I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to include this in a gift box hamper very soon. So this one is the Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lip Color. It's a beautiful, stunning color. I'm going to swatch it for you. The shade is Fiery Scarlet and it comes with a wand like this, and here is the shade. Beautiful red shade. Wow. Okay guys, so those were the products I have received from Nykaa. If you have tried any of these, let me know what was your experience. Also, I'm going to mention few of my favorite products with their links in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.